What is up, guys? Fix It Felix here. Today we have this 2004 FX35 Infiniti. Now you might be watching this video because your gas door doesn't open like this one. You can try to press it and nothing is happening. You're gonna try to pull it with your fingers, but you're scared to break it. But stop it right there. This is real simple. It doesn't open because the doors are locked inside. So if you have this keyless remote, you can just press unlock and now it should open fine, you see? But if you lock it and try to open it, it won't open until you unlock it, you see? Now, if you don't like this mechanism where you have to unlock it with your remote key or unlock it from the inside, or let's say you have problems with your automatic locks or whatever, you can just go back here and I'm going to show you how to deactivate that option. You can just get a flathead screwdriver and pry open right here. And let me show you. I'm going to put some light. Alright, so this is what's under here. So that little white stick, the one you see right there, it's the lock. So right there is locked. If I unlock it, it's going to go like this. So now let's say you don't want to have this option for the gas door to be locked. What you can do is unlock it, like the stick to be all the way outside, and then you can just unplug this cable right here. Right here, you unplug it and that's it. You can also want to do this if just in case this part for you doesn't work and you're having trouble opening your gas door. So just leave it unlocked, like the stick, pull it all the way out, take out this, and then it's going to be open all the time, even if you lock it. Right there is locked. So even if you lock it, it's going to open. In my case, everything is working fine. I'm just doing this video maybe because you have this problem on your Infiniti. I think this also applies for the other models as well. So it was just a quick video showing you how to fix it if yours is broken or a bypass or whatever. So thanks for watching this video, guys. Please give a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more, ring the bell notification, and thank you guys so much for watching. Peace.